Hello everyone. Today we will learn an easy example of for loop. I have already created a sequence and have connected it with start. Next, double-click on the sequence. Let's drag and drop the if activity. The if activity enables to take one of two different courses of action, depending on whether a specified condition is met. The condition field must contain a Boolean expression according to which either the then or the else branch is executed. The then branch comprises the activities to be performed if the condition is true. The optional else branch comprises the activities to be performed if the condition is false. So we will check using the if loop whether the number is less than or greater than 10. So let's create a variable named number with integer 32 data type. And for its value let's get it from user using the input dialog activity. Drag and drop input dialog activity above the if loop as we need to get value first to evaluate it in the loop. Provide suitable title and label for the input dialog. Keep the input type as text box and in value entered provide the name of created variable. Specify the condition as number less than 10. Drag and drop the message box activity and type text in double quotes as number is less than 10. Drag and drop another message box activity in else section and type text in double quotes as number is greater than 10. Click on Run File from Debug File drop-down. Make sure to subscribe the channel if you liked the content.